Hi guys, so I'm back to open some more mail, and some of these looks like Christmas cards, but it's not my fault that I'm actually opening two of these late. So these two, the street number, I'm at number 5. These were shoved into number 3, which has happened before, and they were away on holidays until recently. So we've only just got these two Christmas cards last week. And this one came the other day, and this one is from the same address as this one. But I'm not sure who it's from because there's no name. But the suburb, I recognise, I have a feeling that suburb it might be Pam at Honeybee Crafting. I'm not sure though. I'll have to open and see. And this little guy looks like it's from England. There's no from address. And so I'm not sure who it's from, but I think maybe Debbie Brown, because I don't know, she's in England. So let me open these up. I should have opened first. Okay, so I'll open the little card. I'll open this one first. And this is from Pam Van Ee. She has a YouTube channel, and thank you, Pam. Pam has supported my channel right from the beginning, and like, just a really lovely person. You know how you get to know some people online just through Facebook or YouTube or stuff like that. I've got to know Pam a little just through YouTube, my channel and her channel. And don't worry if this is still a Christmas card coming late, Pam, because guess what? We still have our Christmas tree up. And it's because our little grandkids, they're 2 and 4, and they absolutely love when we put the lights on the Christmas tree at night. So yeah, we're still putting it up, and I might leave it up another 2 or 3 weeks just for them because they love it so much. Oh, this is a card you've made. Oh, thank you. I'm so sorry it got sent to the wrong number. You did address it right. It's both cards were addressed right. They were just sent to the wrong. The mailman put them in the wrong box. I don't know why. We do have a big number 5 on our mailbox and on the side of our house, like at the front. And number 3 has the same. So I don't know why he keeps shoving it in the wrong mailbox. And she's got little buttons, music paper, little flower. Go check out Pam's channel. I think she's the little golden book queen, because when she makes little golden books, they're big and they've got little pom-poms hanging out the side and fluffy and rick-rack, and they're chunky and really pretty. She's got a stamp in there. Thank you, Pam, for taking the time to make that. I'm sorry it got here so late. I'm sure you sent it on time. But yeah, our neighbours were away for a month or 2 actually, over Christmas. Okay, so these two are the ones that were from the same people. This one was put in the other mailbox at number 3 as well, instead of mine. Lucky they bring it over. We kind of know them, so they just walk it over. It's only 2 doors up. Oops. I still feel like it's Christmas because all you people, lovely people, sending me happy mail still. Oops. Okay, I'm going to have to rip this envelope because it's a bit of a tight fit. Oh, gingerbread man. Okay, let's see who this is. Oh, yes, I was right. Thank you, Pam. I thought that was your suburb when I saw it. Pam is from Honeybee Crafting, and she has a YouTube channel as well. I'm going to put all the links down below. I love gingerbread men. I love eating them, but I just think they're so cute. I wish I could bake them. So they'll still go up on display because everything for Christmas is still up in my house. Okay, so this is from Pam as well. Pam, you're very naughty. You just sent me something the other week. Okay, I'm sorry. I should put a slit in these when before I start the camera rolling, shouldn't I? I'm so slow. Okay, let's see. Oh, look at that little envelope. So cute. Oh, you made this. Oh, Pam, you always make like nice, perfect things. Like they look so professionally made. I've seen a lot of people make little calendars and that. Oh no, these bags. I can never find the opening. Okay, here he is. Yeah, I've seen a few people make these little desk calendars. They're so cute. Well, thank you. I don't actually have a calendar on my desk because whenever someone gives me one, I chop it up. But this I will not chop up until January 21. Okay, that is really cute. That's so cute. I love it. Thank you. I don't even want to rip the month off every month because it's too cute. Look, you put little diamantes around. Oh, thank you. That is so cute. Honestly, that is something like you find in a shop. You make everything so neat and perfect and professional. Look at that. It stands up on your desk. Oh, thank you. I love it. Okay, look at this little envelope. Oh, I got an envelope punch board, by the way. I haven't opened it up and used it yet. But now I can make little envelopes once I figure out how to use it. Oh, thank you. Little card as well she made. All the best for 2020, Pam. Oh, thank you, Pam. That's really cute. You're such a smart cookie. Honestly, you can't even see where it's been glued and joined. It's so perfect. Thank you. I love it. It's so cute. Okay. Now, what is this? Oh no, I really should have opened this because it's taped up and I'm going to take 10 years to open it. See, I still feel like it's Christmas. Okay, now I have, when I when I get Happy Mail, I still leave everything in, well, most things still in the envelope that you send it from. Or I might put it into a separate little tub so I can see what's in there and start using it. But it's all still separate because I like to remember who it was from and when I use it. And I now have a whole shelf of Happy Mail that I need to start using. Thank you, everyone. You're so kind and generous. I've been so slack with Happy Mail and sending prizes and stuff like that. I need to get my bum into gear. Okay. Oh, yeah. As soon as I see what it is, I know who this is from without reading the note. This is Debbie Brown because I've seen on her channel she makes these little angels. Actually, I think she did a little tutorial on how to make them. Oh, thank you, Debbie. Just something to keep you going till I get this parcel out. Sorry. Wait, what parcel? No, don't send me anything else, cheeky lady. You've already sent me stuff. I actually won one of Debbie's lacy albums that she made once in one of her giveaways. Oh, thank you, Debbie. They're beautiful. And no need to send anything else. If you see my channel, you'll see 1,000 Happy Mail videos. I've been like so spoilt. If you want to send something out, find a subby of yours that has been really supportive and who's never had a Happy Mail before, because that'll make their day. Oh, thank you. They're so beautiful, but, you know, I'm not going to want to use these because I kind of don't want to part with it. But since you gave me 3, I could use 2 and keep 1. They're so cool. Look, little angel wings. I love them. Thank you. And I'm sorry I'm so late opening it. Actually, I haven't had this one that long. It must have taken a while to get here. When was it stamped? I can't see the date. Okay, well, thank you, lovely ladies, and thank you for your mail. And I apologise for Australia Post putting these 2 cards in the wrong mailbox. Thank you. And I've still got 2 Happy Mails to open. So you'll probably see 2 more Happy Mail videos in the next day or 2. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.